Hello and welcome to our learning adventure. My name is Emmy and this is Safety Seymour. He's a superhero bear from the planet Invenio and he's come to planet Earth to help teach us lot about a very important thing. He's here to tell us all about something called carbon monoxide. Whoa, that is two very long words, isn't it? Carbon monoxide. They're really hard to remember. Shall we try and say them together? Let's do it together. We'll break them down. Here we go. Carbon monoxide. Did you manage it? Let's try again. Carbon monoxide. I find them really difficult to remember, so I try ways to help me. Repeat after me and use the same tone and the same expression. Carbon monoxide. You do it. Brilliant. Very scary. How about this one? After me. Carbon monoxide. Can you do it? Awesome. Very good. Carbon monoxide. And that's what we're going to be learning about today. But what is carbon monoxide? Well, let me tell you. It's not a solid. It's not a liquid. In fact, carbon monoxide is a type of gas. A little bit like oxygen. But oxygen is really good for us. And carbon monoxide is really bad for us. In fact, can you all copy me? Can you all put your thumbs down and say, bad gas? Brilliant. You're absolutely right. It is a bad gas. But why is carbon monoxide so bad? Why is it so dangerous? Well, for this, I'm going to need your help. I want everybody to copy the words and the actions after me. Here we go. Ready? You can't see it. You can't hear it. You can't smell it. You can't taste it. And you can't touch it. Boom! Did you manage it? Let's do it again, but a bit faster. Here we go. All together, words and actions. You can't see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, or touch it. Boom! And that is why it's so dangerous. What colour do you think it is? Possibly. Who's got it right? Let's see. It's not red. It's not yellow. It's not green. In fact, it's invisible. Who got it right? Well done if you did. This is an invisible gas, and that's why it's so dangerous. Because imagine this. If we've got this gas that's really, really bad for us, in fact, it's a poisonous gas. But we can't see it, we can't hear it, we can't smell it, taste it or touch it. Boom! How on earth do we keep ourselves safe from something if we don't know where it is? That's a tough one. Could we run away from it? No, you can't run away from something if you don't know where it is. Could we wear a gas mask? I don't want to wear a gas mask all day, do you? No. In fact, there is one thing that can detect carbon monoxide, and it's a very, very clever thing indeed. It's one of these. Ever seen one before? This is a carbon monoxide alarm. and they work very, very simply. Here's what they look like. They're a little bit like a smoke alarm, but smoke alarms can detect smoke and fire. Smoke alarms can't detect carbon monoxide, the poisonous gas. You still need a carbon monoxide alarm. And simply all you do is fit one of these in your home, and if ever that nasty gas is around, your alarm will make a noise a bit like this. It's really loud, isn't it? It will make a noise like that, and that will warn you to leave the house and let an adult sort out the problem. And you know what? Every home should have one. Has your home got a carbon monoxide alarm? Perhaps you could have a look after this. So, we're going to be learning more about carbon monoxide alarms and carbon monoxide, where it comes from, how to keep ourselves safe from it. If you're interested to learn more, why not watch some of our other videos and learn what it does to our body and how we can keep ourselves safe from it. Bye-bye for now.